Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got a burger food truck, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video and give the free trial a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, burger food truck. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our burger food truck so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name. Whoops. And go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business. Actually, we don't need to change it. I'm going to leave it as restaurant so we can put in our specific hours. And I'm going to go ahead and click on continue and move along. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address. Click continue and move along. Awesome. Where is our street's address, our physical location? I know sometimes with food trucks you do move from place to place or location to location, shall I say. But with my food truck, I'm at a standard location. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and click continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on Mondays? I'm going to say we open for lunch and dinner. I'm going to say we open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We actually open 7 days a week. Let's click continue and let's do a quick review. But everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need changes, click on update location or update hours and work your magic. Great. So look at that. Marty's House has literally generated a simple website for my burger food truck in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together of the website we've just launched. Now, the beauty of multi sites, that looks absolutely delicious. It's making me so hungry right now. The beauty of multi sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and really delicious. However, I'm sure you've got your own images of your food truck, of all the delicious burgers you're serving up on the daily, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre written as a guideline. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom and making my way through and showing you how simple it is to create a website and make amendments on the Multi Sites platform. You don't need to be a web developer, you don't need to hire a web professional, and you don't need to know any coding. So let's get cracking. The first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top, and I want to make sure this box is checked to display my email address on my Marty Sites platform next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our physical location, and the great thing about it is Marty Sites, when you click on that physical location in the top left hand corner, it will automatically take you to Google Maps to get directions to your burger food truck. Let's head over to update social links and put in our various social media platforms that our food truck is active on. Our icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address as well at the bottom. So your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your food truck is up to if you're traveling, what events you're at, or what locations. Let's move on. We're making such great progress. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Now, if you don't have a huge budget for a logo, you're in the startup process of your food truck and you really want a logo to display on your multi-sites platform, on your social media, etc., I do recommend that you check out canva.com. You'll find some great free options on there. There we go. Our logo has now been updated. Let's move along. Now, with multi-sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you, but perhaps it doesn't quite go with your menu, your signage on your food truck. Maybe it's a completely different color to this royal blue, I guess you could call it. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palettes available to you. Let's go ahead and see which one works best for me and my burger food truck. I want something like quite bold that stands out, but I really like that as well. Let's check it out. I think I might go ahead and select this one as it's really bold and stands out. Awesome. Let's move along and head over to the next section. Now over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Go ahead and browse your device and upload all the delicious burger pictures you're serving up over there. Otherwise, search through the photo library if you're just in the startup process of your food truck. Marty sites will automatically search for burger food truck, but you can play around with the terms a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for burger and see what pops up. Let's see what awesome. So there's really delicious burgers over here, but I'm just checking that it's not the same as that one when I upload it because I think I'm going to go ahead and select that one. That looks absolutely amazing. I wish I could get my hands on that burger. Look at that, looks absolutely amazing. Very high quality, and remember those photos available via that photo library, they're all completely free to use. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say order online at the moment. That's what it says. Maybe you don't have a online ordering system. Maybe you just wanted to say view our menu. So let's go ahead and pop that in over there. Whoops. And go ahead and choose our link. Now we can link to another website if you offer a third party like online ordering system or food delivery. Otherwise you can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which I'm going to go ahead and do exactly that, a PDF file of my Mighty menu with all my amazing burger options. Awesome. When my customers now click on that button, it will automatically take them to view our menu. Great. Let's move along. Over here, if you want to make any changes to those hours, trading hours, address, that button can link to various places. Just head on over to update section and make the necessary changes. Awesome. We've now made our way into the about us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how your food truck came to be, how you got into the industry, how long you've been serving up delicious burgers in your community. Are you available for catering services or office parties, wedding receptions? Go ahead and pop all the details over here. And your love of burgers, of course, definitely include that. If you need to make any changes to that physical location again or that phone number, go ahead and click on update section. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our burger food truck in not even 10 minutes. We've made changes to the images, to the content, to the colors. It really was such a breeze. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about our free trial on the multi-sites platform is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. Not necessary with multi-sites. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and just give it a go. See how well it works for you in your small business. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking that domain. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website. Let's quickly scroll to the top and click on blog. Now, you will find a step-by-step guide here on linking your custom domain. And you'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of blog posts, articles on how to promote your business on social media and your community on various listings. Go ahead and check out all these articles. If you don't have a domain yet, all you need to do is click on our once a new domain. and you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited just to make launching a website for your burger food truck even simpler. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you in building a website for your burger food truck. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.